It is said that education is a basic human right, but can we say that students studying in schools with an acute shortage of teachers are getting their rights? In the absence of enough educational institutions in Kadangband village under Imphal West district, children are devoid of quality education. Nevertheless, admitting education as the backbone of society, the residents of Kadangband village is putting all their might into improving the condition of Kadangband High School, the lone school in the village, so that children do not completely compromise their education. Kadangband under the Imphal West district is a village located around 20 kilometers from Imphal city. Locating in the peripheral areas, it is one of the worst affected villages of Manipur by the ongoing conflict. Yet most of the residents have not left their houses. After the crisis, some private schools in the Kadangband, which were once an educational hub of villages, now no longer exist. This has become Kadangband High School, the only place for educational center of the village. But sadly, the school is reeling with the problem of an acute shortage of teachers. To mend it, the joint collaboration of local residents hires some teachers from their localities. Hired teachers are more or less working as volunteers as their honorarium is too meager. Sharing the effort of villagers to operate Kadangband High School effectively, one of the women leaders of the Kadangband village, Elangwam Shanti Devi, said that Kadangband has a population of around 900 and a majority of them are below the poverty. The number of government employees from this village is hardly around 10. Most of them are daily wage earners or farmers. The crisis has coupled their burden as it is hard to find even petty job for their survival. She continued and said that amidst this tough condition, sending children in the private school is beyond their capabilities. There are no more private schools in Kadangband village. As such, their only place for education is Kadangband High School, but the school has no adequate teachers.